Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Asma's Kitchen. I'm Asma. Today I have a really mouth-watering recipe of relish to share with you, that is mint dip or relish, whatever you can say. Give it a try and let me know your feedback. And watch this video till the end for recipe card. Right, let's get started with the recipe of mint dip. Green chilies 6 to 8, salt half teaspoon, white cumin seeds half teaspoon, garlic 2 cloves, mint 1/3 cup, washed, tamarind pulp half cup. Now in a mixer add half cup of tamarind pulp, 1/3 cup of mint, 2 cloves of garlic, 8 green chilies or as per your taste, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of white cumin seed. Now cover its lid and blend it really well. And it's done. Now I'm dishing out. Garnishing it with coriander leaves. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media, link in description. Give thumbs up if you like it. Leave comment below and subscribe Asma's Kitchen for more Pakistani cuisine. Don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will notified when I will upload a new video. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.